Hey there, fellow PDF enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech tutorials simple and fun. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to highlight text in Adobe Reader for 2025. Whether you're a student marking up lecture notes, a professional reviewing contracts, or just someone who loves organizing digital documents, this feature will save you tons of time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Adobe Reader installed on your device. You can download it for free from the official Adobe website if you haven't already. Once that's sorted, open up the PDF file you want to work on. It's as easy as double-clicking the file or selecting it from the program's interface. Now, here's where the magic happens. Locate the text you want to highlight. Simply click and drag your mouse over the words or sentences to select them, just like you would in a word processor. Once selected, look for the commenting or markup tools. In Adobe Reader 2025, you'll find a dedicated highlight icon in the toolbar at the top. It looks like a highlighter pen, so it should be easy to spot. If you don't see it right away, click on the Comment tab to expand your options. Click on the Highlight tool, and you'll see a color palette pop up. Adobe Reader offers a variety of colors to choose from, like yellow, pink, or even green, perfect for color coding your notes. Select your preferred shade, and voila, the text is highlighted. You can highlight multiple sections by repeating the process. One cool tip: if you're on a keyboard shortcut kick, try using Ctrl+H or Command+H on Mac, after selecting text to highlight it quickly. And don't forget to save your changes. Go to File, Save, or hit Ctrl+S to ensure your annotations stick. There you have it. Highlighting text in Adobe Reader 2025 is straightforward and incredibly efficient. This tool not only helps with studying or editing but also makes sharing feedback a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.